never cut down big trees like this before, and out here there's no room for error or to mess up. You know, there's no hospital down the road, there's no backup plan, just us and that tree that could go very wrong very fast. So we made the call. We're not doing this ourselves. So we hired a guy. I wanted to be the guy who could come do everything, but this isn't about ego. It's about doing it right and getting to keep building tomorrow. So we brought in someone who knows exactly what to do. That was the moment when things started to feel real.